This is why it's called the steps, because there's a lot of them. All the way down and all the way back up when you're wearing your gear. I've been diving since 1978, when I first learnt to scuba dive when I was studying marine biology. I study frogs now. I'm very dedicated to diving and to sea dragons. I now wear a dry suit all year round, so I don't get cold. This dry suit has actually got multiple patches on the knees. Well, I also have a pee valve in my dry suit, so I can pee whenever I need to. And the longer I stay under, the more I can see on each dive. I mean, I was doing my own private SeadragonSearch, where I would manually look at all of my photos and identify them, and that was just too time consuming. So when SeadragonSearch came along, it was like, yay! I don't have to do it now. I worry, if I haven't seen one for a while, I worry about them. So there's one sea dragon that I saw literally every week for probably a year, called Bob, and he had 3 broods this year, and after his last brood he's disappeared. I haven't seen him. Like losing a pet, it's really sad. If people don't know about something, they're not going to care about it. 10 Wheaties. A good haul. Good haul. I mean, yesterday was only 8, the day before was only 7, so I'm happy with 10. I'm a competitive person, I always have been. So one of the things I like to do is try and get as many submissions as I can. I'm coming up to 3,000 submissions, so or 3,000 encounters. So yes, I'll be happy when I get to 3,000. And then obviously once I get to 3,000, then it will be aiming for 4,000.